In today's video, I will be sharing with you 4 ways to test a fuse. Number 1, we'll do a visual inspection. Number 2, we'll do a continuity test using the multimeter. Number 3, we'll do a voltage test also using the multimeter. And the 4th method involves using a test light. Now for the visual inspection, we'll be checking to see if the fuse link is intact or if it is broken. If it is intact, that's usually a good sign that the fuse is good. For the second test, we'll use a multimeter and we are going to do what is known as a continuity test. For the continuity test, it should never be done on a live circuit. So ensure that the fuse is removed from the circuit before you conduct this test. So for the continuity test, you're going to put the multimeter on the ohms reading and you're going to press this button until you see the sound indicator. And to confirm, you touch both, you'll get that beeping sound, which means that it is in the continuity mode. Afterwards, you can then test your fuse. Once you get that beeping sound, it means that the fuse link is making contact with both posts. So in other words, you have a good fuse. Next, we'll be doing the voltage test. And you're going to put the multimeter on voltage. And this represents, the symbol here represents DC voltage. Now, if the fuse is good, since it's connected to the circuit, we should get 12 volts on both posts of the fuse. So we're going to connect the negative probe to the negative terminal of the battery or a good grounding post on their motor vehicle. Next, you're going to use the positive to touch one post of the fuse. You need to check the other posts and you should also get 12 volts. So this means that this is a good fuse. And for the final test, we'll be using a test light. You're going to attach this clip to a good grounding section or to the battery negative post, and then you're going to use a tip to make contact with both posts of the fuse, and in each case the test light should light up. So these are the 4 ways in which you can test a fuse. As always, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more useful information.